Welcome back to my channel. It's Precious Ozoma. Learn Igbo language with Precious Ozoma. In our last episode, we learned how to count in Igbo from 1 to 10. If you missed it, pause this video. Don't bother yourself watching this video now. Just pause this video, go back to the other video, watch it to the end, then you come back, because what I'll be teaching today will be based on that other video. If you don't know 1 to 10, forget it. You'll find it difficult knowing 11 to 100. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you're going to be counting from 11 to 100 in Igbo language. In Igbo, Onuogugu Igbo, Onuogugu Igbo, counting in Igbo, counting in Igbo. I'll teach you how you're going to do that. It's very easy. So if you already know 1 to 10, kudos to you. If you don't know it, pause it, go back, learn it, because everything we're going to do today is built on that. If you know 1 to 10, knowing 11 to 500, 1 to 100 is a chicken change for you. So 11 is iri na otu. Now, like I said, it's just a built up on 1 to 10. You know, we know that 10 is iri, and we already know that 1 is otu, and you know that 10 plus 1 makes 11. So iri na otu is simply 10 and 1. Iri na otu, 11. 12, iri na abuo. 10 plus 2, 12. Iri na abuo. 13, iri na ato. 14, iri na ano. 15, iri na isi. Now tell me what iri na itoolu is. Let me see someone that can think very fast. I'm sure you'll get it. It's very, very easy. If you already know 1 to 10, you should be able to know what iri na itoolu is. What is iri na itoolu? Comment it in the comment section. Then watch the end. Let's see if you got it. So we said that 13 is iri na ato. 3 is ato. 10 is iri na ato. 14, iri na ano. Can you see it? 15, iri na ise. 16, iri na ise. 17, iri na asa. 18, iri na asato. 19, iri na itoolu or iteyete. If that's what you commented in the comment section, you got it, you got it. I trust you, I know you definitely get it. So iri na itoolu, that is 19. Iri na iteyete, that is 19. You remember I told you that 9 could be itoolu or iteyete. Both are correct. Mostly used is itoolu, but iteyete can also be used, and that is absolutely correct. Now 20. Can you guess what 20 is? It is 10 and 10, isn't it? 20. So iri abuo. It is not iri na abuo. If you say iri na abuo, that is 10 and 2. 10 and 2, 12. Now the na is there is kind of serving as a plus. Iri na abuo. No, iri abuo. That's 10 in 2 places. Iri is 10. Iri abuo. 10 in 2 places. Hope you got it. 10 in 2 places. Iri abuo. Now tell me what 30 will be. Since you say 10 is 10, that's 10 is iri. We now say 20 because it's 10 in 2 places. Iri abuo. Tell me right in the comment section what 30 will be. Very simple. I'm waiting for you. Comment it in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section right away, and let's see if you got it. Okay. If you said iri ato, if your comment was iri ato, you are right. Yes, iri ato 30, iri ano 40, iri ise 50, iri ise 60, iri asa 70, iri asato 80, iri itoolu 90. We will not get to 100 now. Okay, so now let's go back to 20. We stop at 20. So we say that 20 is 2 iris. 2 iris. So iri abuo. Now what will 21 be? We say 21 will iri abuo. That's 20 plus 1 na otu. Can you see it? Iri abụọ, 2 iris, 2 iris, 2 tens plus 1. Iri abụọ na otu. 22. Iri abụọ na abụọ. 23. Iri abụọ na atọ. 24. Iri abụọ na anọ. Can you see? It's very, very simple. It's something very easy for you to learn. And so it goes on to 29. Iri abụọ na iteghete or maọbụ iri abụọ na itoolu. Very simple. So then 30 will be iri atọ. Now what we've learned from 21, tell me in the comment section, what do you think it will be 31? We now said 30 is 10 is 3 iris. So iri atọ, we know 3 is 3. We know atọ is 3. Iri atọ 30. What do you think is 31? Remember, iri abụọ na otu is 21. In the comment section, tell me. I'm waiting. Tell me. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Write it. What is 31 in Igbo language? Going by what we said about 21. Yeah, I'm waiting. Okay, if you say iri atọ na otu, you are correct. Iri atọ and 1 na otu. Iri atọ na abụọ. Iri atọ na anọ. Iri atọ na ise. Iri atọ na isii. Iri atọ na asaa. You see, I told you earlier on that you need to learn 1 to 10. So if you have not learned 1 to 10, you can't say it offhand, you cannot memorize it, you've not yet learned it. Please do yourself a favor. Just go back. Just go back to it, because that's the basics. That is the basics. To learn how to count in Igbo, all you need to do is to learn 1 to 10. You know what is 100, you know what is 1000, and so on. The rest is nothing. So 39 will now be iri atọ na itoolu. Now 40 is iri anọ. 10 in 4 places. That is our 4th. Hope you getting it. So 41 iri anọ na otu. 42 iri anọ na abụọ. 43 iri anọ na atọ. 44 iri anọ na anọ. 45 iri anọ na ise. 46 iri anọ na isii. 57 iri anọ na asaa. Iri anọ na asatọ. Iri anọ na itoolu. Iri ise. Iri ise. Iri ise. 51 iri ise na otu. Iri ise na abụọ. Iri ise na atọ. It's funny. If you just learn 1 to 10, you are good to go. And that's how we keep doing, saying it, building it up to 60. Iri C. 60. If you say iri na is C, that is 16. Iri na is C is 16. Iri C is 60. Iri na is C 16. Iri C 60. Take it. Note the difference. Iri na is and. Iri 10 and 6. That's 10 plus 6, 16. Iri C means 10 in 6 places, 60. Hope this is clear. Iri C na otu, 61. Iri C na abụọ, 62. Iri C na atọ, 63. Iri C na anọ. Iri C na ise. Iri C na isii, 66. 66. Iri C na isii. Iri C na isii. Iri C na isii, 67. Iri C na asaa, 60. Iri C na asatọ. Iri C na itoolu. 70. Iri asaa. And we continue. 80. Iri asatọ. 90. Iri itoolu. 91. Iri itoolu na otu. 92. Iri itoolu na abụọ. 93. Iri itoolu na atọ. 94. Iri itoolu na anọ. Iri itoolu na ise. Iri itoolu na isii. Iri itoolu na asaa. Iri itoolu na asatọ. 8. Iri itoolu na itoolu. 100. 100 is narị. Otu narị. Otu narị. Again, otu narị. Two. Again. I want to hear you say loud and clear. Otu narị. Again, otu narị. Otu narị. Otu narị is 100. Narị is 100. Narị is 100. Narị is 100. Otu narị, 100. otunari 100, nari 100, otunari 100, and we keep building. So if you are interested in knowing how to count from 100 to 1000, you need to do yourself a favor. Subscribe to this channel. Click on that bell icon there so that you will get notified whenever I post my video. Like this video, share it, and also ensure you drop comments in the comment section, because even though when you subscribe to this channel and you turn on the notification bell, if for a long time YouTube feels you don't watch the video, you don't react, YouTube may stop showing you these videos, my subsequent videos on your, what they call it, is it on your Facebook, they call it Facebook page. That's when you open your YouTube channel, the videos you will see. You want my videos to be among those you get to see. Ensure you react on every of my videos, so you to get to know you're interested in the content I produce. Okay, so my assignment for you is, we know that 10 is iri, isn't it, and 11 is iri n'otu. Now we say nari, 100, 100 is otunari. So what do you think will be 101? I will go to the comments. So drop it in the comment section. If you're correct, I will tell you. If you're wrong, I will also let you know. Okay? So what is 101? So till I call you next time, I remain Precious Ozioma. Bye.